Welcome to my Survival Frog review. Are you looking for a lamp that's going to tick all of your boxes? Because I know there are a lot of crappy and overpriced products out there. But if you are serious about getting the best at the best price, listen up. Now, Survival Frog is simply the top brand when it comes to outdoor gear for survivalists. It specializes in the sales of survival kits, sleeping bags, and lanterns which are powered via solar energy. And in this review, I'm going to cover the Solar Air Lantern. And this is one of Survival Frog's best-selling products. The design of the lamp is absolutely state-of-the-art, and in terms of efficiency, it blows every similar product currently on the market away. It's one tough lantern. It's shatterproof, lightweight, waterproof, inflatable, and rechargeable. What more can you ask for in a survival scenario lantern? Survivalists and camping enthusiasts all over the United States and Europe have this handy item in their arsenal of must-have products. And for why? Possibly because tests have shown that the lantern can be turned on and give off a powerful light even if it hasn't been turned on for 3 years. It can also even be used to recharge a cell phone via the USB cable, which is included. The lamp requires virtually zero maintenance, and of course this is one of its most popular features. It's no wonder then that smart users rely less and less on the more traditional alternatives that also rely on fuel that may be hard to find in the future if and when things go wrong. Now let's talk about the pros. Now, this is a solar-powered lamp which requires no more than 8 hours of exposure to the sun to become fully charged. Plus, it retains about 95% of that charge when it's not being used. When you inflate it and turn it on, the light which is generated illuminates an area of around 15 square feet, the size of a large tent or small room. In fact, if you are on a campsite or simply having a backyard party, you will never have to worry about lighting solutions ever again. And it weighs just 4 ounces, so is easily portable. So why not buy 4? Click the link beneath this video to read testimonials from people who have done exactly that. Because the product is incredibly durable and it works exactly as described. I mentioned earlier that it is an online bestseller, and to prove that, you have the validation of thousands of buyers. Click the link below for testimonials from just some of those happy purchasers. And because it's such a multi-usage tool, have one in your car, in your basement, or at the office. So let me mention the cons of purchasing. Well, there are none as far as I can tell, unless it's damaged in transit of course, and if that happens, you are covered with the replacement policy and the 60-day guarantee. So, should you buy it? Well, this is a product which truly rocks, so yes, you should most definitely buy it. Not least because it is backed up by the reputation of the Survival Frog brand, which is one of the leading developers of survival gear. So to summarize, the product is great for survivalists, preppers, campers, and hiking enthusiasts, or anybody wanting a real solution if and when the power goes out or is not available for any length of time. Click the link below for more details. And if you've a mind to, don't forget to like our video. That would be very much appreciated. Then click on that link in the description beneath this video for more cool details. not just about this super survival lamp, but also for more cool prepper camping survivalist supplies. Thanks for watching. Click the link below for the best price and full specs.